We actually went to our very first air show with our very first aircraft in 2004, April of 2004. We actually started building the tooling and the molds 3 years prior to that. It took 3 years to complete that tooling before we had the first one up and flying. So we've been in business without interruption since then, this being 2017. Over the course of that time, we have actually built approximately 430 aircraft to date. We build, production-wise, we build 3 different models. We build a Part 103 ultralight, which has a small 2-stroke air-cooled piston engine. It's 60 horsepower, which we call the XEL model. The next model up from that would be the XE285, which is an 85 horsepower water-cooled fuel-injected oil injection engine, which is experimental category. And then the third engine option we have is a turbine-powered helicopter. It's powered by a Solar T62-2A1, which is 100 horsepower, approximately turbine-powered engine. That is also experimental class. So those are the current production ones. Over the years, it's been approximately 6 years, we've been building drones for military application for about 6 years now. We're just getting into adopting those to civilian applications, primarily for agricultural purposes, spray applications. We also have a new two-place machine that we have the prototype. It is up and flying currently, and it's in a test flight program. So once that program is completed, that will also be going into production. So those are the 2 items that are coming up for future projects for us.